Yeah, good evening, friends. Myself, Dr. Seshadri. I have 18 years of teaching experience. I am AWS certified trainer at associate level. See, this is the demo links, friends. I'll send it in the chat box. This is day 3 demo session. The demo link, demo videos are available in DURGASOFT YouTube channel. Okay. See, I am providing the training is at associate level. It's taking the time duration is 40 to 45 days of the time it is taking. Once you register the codes, then every day you are getting class recording videos, class material, you got it. At the end of the training, then you got AWS interview questions and answers. And when you are attempting after completion of your training at associate level, you want to apply the global certification at associate level or at foundation level, then you can attempt it. Further, the previously asked questions and answers I am providing, the AWS steps. Around 800 pages I am providing. And also, friends, each and every topic, the screenshot explanation I am providing at the end of the training. Friends, on day 1 demo session, we'll discuss what is cloud computing, how to launch and connect the EC2 service, how to launch and connect the Windows server using EC2 service, I explain. On day 2 demo session, the AWS introduction and the global infrastructure, I explain. And also what are the different types of clouds are there, cloud delivery models, and how to launch and connect Linux server using EC2 service, I explain, friends. Friends, this is the day 3 demo session. This is the day 3 demo session. On day 3 demo session, we'll discuss how to create your AWS free tier account. Free tier account. For that, what are the steps we have to follow? And also, I have to explain how to transfer files from, from local system to launched Linux server. Launched Linux server. For that, what are the steps we have to follow? I have to explain. Friends, first I have to explain how we have to create your AWS free tier account and what are the limitations of your AWS free tier account. I have to explain. See, friends, to create your AWS free tier account, you need the three are required. One is your mail ID is required. Second one is your mobile number is required. And third one is your credit card or debit card is required. Credit card or debit card is required. Debit card is required. So these three things are required to create your AWS free tier account. Friends, already I have my AWS free tier account. I have my AWS free tier account. I explain how to create your AWS free tier account with the help of the screenshot explanation I am providing, friends. Friends, already I prepared the class material, how we can create your AWS free tier account, and for all the concepts I am preparing. See, friends, you have to follow to create your AWS free tier account. This is the link we have to follow. I'll send it in the chat box. I'll send it in the chat box. When you click on this link, when you click on this link, then we have to sign up for your AWS account. You have to sign up for your AWS account. That is, you need to enter mail ID and the AWS account name we have to enter. The mail ID is nothing but your root user, your AWS account, root user mail ID. Means your personal mail ID we have to give it. And then we have to enter AWS account name. Click on verify mail ID. Click on verify mail address. See, friends, while given your AWS account name, we have to give it the globally unique. The account name must be globally unique. And then we have to click on verify email address. Verify email address. Once you click on your verify email address, then to your mail ID, you have received the code we have to receive it. That is the OTP we have to receive in your mail ID. Whatever the verification code, whatever the OTP you are received, that verification code we have to enter it and then click on verify option. Click on verify option, friends. Once you click on verify option, then it is asking to enter your AWS account password and we have to confirm the password. Whatever the password you are typing here, the same password we have to type it for confirming the password. And then click on the next step. Click on continue option. That the first step we have done. The first step, you have to enter your mail ID. You have to enter your AWS account name. To give the AWS account name, it's globally unique. And then whatever you mention your mail ID, for your mail ID, you received one OTP you received. When you enter your verification code, click on continue option. Then it is asking to enter your password for your AWS account password. You have to confirm your password, click on continue option. Then see friends, how we have to give the password. While given the password length must be the minimum 8 characters length. Minimum is 8 characters length. Friends, your password must contain at least the 3 of the following things. What are the 3 of the following things is, your password may contain uppercase letter, lowercase letter, numbers, and the alphanumeric characters. So the password is minimum length 8 characters and your password contains minimum of these 3 things. It contains at least 3 of the following things. That is, friends, once you enter the password and click on continue option, then it is asking to enter your personal information. That is, it is asking, how do you plan to use your AWS account? That's for business or personal. You have to select personal, we have to select it. And you need to enter your name, full name we have to enter. You enter your mobile number. You have to choose the country or region. And you need to enter the address, city, state, postal code, and put the tick mark. Click on continue option. That is, the second step is nothing but you need to enter your personal information. You need to enter your information and then the click on continue option, friends. Once you click on continue option, then in the third step, it is asking you have to enter your credit card or the debit card information. That is, you need to enter the card number, credit card or the debit card number. Card expiration month and year, we have to choose it. Card holder name, you have to enter. If you turn off the card, credit card or the debit card, CVV number is there, 3-digit number. That 3-digit number we have to enter. And billing address, use contact address, use my contact address, we have to choose it, or use a new address. As per your convenience, we have to choose it. And you have the PAN card, you have to choose yes option, otherwise no option, we have to choose it. And then click on continue option. Means on the third step, you need to enter your card details. You enter the card number, card expiration month and year, card holder name, CVV number, that is the 3-digit number, and you have the PAN card. Yes, you don't have the PAN card, then you have to choose the no option, click on verify and continue option. That is the third step. Then, whatever you are enter the mobile ID, mobile number, for your mobile number, you have to receive the OTP. You enter the OTP. That is bank linked mobile number, we have to give it. That's why we can receive your OTP. What message you have to receive is 2 rupees will be deducted to your bank account. That's for verification purpose. And you can enter the OTP, the 2 rupees will be deducted to your bank account and then click on submit option. And then click on submit option. That is for confirming for your identity purpose only. Within 24 hours, your 2 rupees will be credited to your account. See, the 2 rupees reduction is for the verification purpose. And then within 24 hours, your 2 rupees will be credited to your bank account. After that, again it is asking you have to confirm your identity. That is, we have to how should we send you the verification code? Text message or the voice call? You may choose as per your convenience. We have to choose it. Here I am selecting text message. I am selecting text message. I am selecting country or the region. We have to choose it. Again, you need to enter the mobile number. Whatever the security check in your screen while creating your AWS account, that security check you need to enter it here. You can enter it here and then click on send SMS option. Send SMS option. That is the step 4. After that, whatever the verification code you received to your mobile, that verification code we have to click on continue option. Click on continue option. Then the next it is asking you need to choose the plan. You want to choose the basic support, that is the free tier account you need to create it, or the developer support or the business support. Friends, you are for practicing purpose. That's why you need to choose the basic plan. You need to choose it. It is providing 12 months of the free service. 12 months of the free service it is supporting, friends. With your credit card or debit card, 12 months of the free service it is providing. If you are choosing developer support, per month you need to pay it $29 per month. If you are choosing business support, per month $100 you need to pay it. Friends, you are for practicing purpose, you need to choose the basic support and then click on complete sign up process. When you click on complete sign up process, you are getting congratulations. And then if you click on that, go to the management console. Whatever in the last session I opened my AWS free tier account, that screen will be appeared. And before appearing the screen, you have to click on your role. That is, we have to select this arrow mark and then we have to choose your role and your interested area. We can select it and then click on submit option. Your screen will be appear. That is AWS account management console will be open. That is already I have created my AWS account. That's why I am not providing with hands-on. With the help of the screenshot, I am providing how to create your AWS free tier account, friends. That is, to create your AWS free tier account, these 3 things are required. One is mail ID, second one is mobile number, third one is credit card or the debit card. See, you have to choose your mobile number with bank linked mobile number because you receive the OTPs, you have to receive them. Okay, fine. See, once you create your AWS free tier account, when you click on sign into the console, we have to choose always root user mail ID. I'll tell you in upcoming session, IAM concept is there. On that IAM concept, what is IAM user? Okay. Right now, we have to select the root user mail ID. We have to select. Here also it is asking 2 types of users. I'll tell you in upcoming session. See, in every day, we have to choose it root user and whatever the mail ID you are given at the time of your AWS free tier account, that mail ID we have to select it. And whatever the password you are given, while creating your AWS account, that password we have to enter, click on sign. Then your AWS free tier account is open. Here at the top, your name is there. Your AWS account name, whatever the name you are given. And if you click on this arrow mark, those are the reasons which are supported in my AWS free tier account, friends. In the last session, I explained that on day 2 demo session, the AWS global infrastructure, globally, how many reasons are there, how many availability zones are there. That is, by sending the link, I explained that AWS global infrastructure. That is here, those many reasons which are supported in my AWS free tier account. If you have to scroll down at the bottom, the upcoming reasons are also there. Friends, you may choose any reason, no problem at all. But here every day I am selecting the Mumbai region. By choosing the Mumbai region, I have to explore all the services. Friends. Fine. That is. See friends, those are nothing but recently visited services in my AWS account. in my AWS account, friends. Those are nothing but the recently visited services. That is how we have to create your AWS free tier account. How we have to create your AWS free tier account. For that, what are the steps we have to follow? Those steps I have to explain it with the help of the screenshot I have to explain. Fine. Next, friends, I need to explore the another concept is how to transfer files from your local system to launched Linux server. Means that is in your laptop or the desktop. For example, in my laptop, in E drive, DURGASOFT folder is there, under 8 p.m. folder is there. There are many files are there. I need to transfer those files. I need to transfer those 5 files to my launched Linux server. Friends, yesterday session, I explained that how to launch and connect the Linux server. How to launch and connect the Linux server. See, to transfer the files from your laptop or desktop to launched Linux server, first the thing is you have to launch and connect. You have to launch and connect Linux server. You have to launch and connect the Linux server. That's the first step you have to do it. That's the first step you have to do it. In the day-to demonstration, I explained, friends, how to launch and connect the Linux server. The same steps we have to follow. We have to launch and connect the Linux server. We have to launch and connect the Linux server. Friends, I have to quickly launch and connect the Linux server. Before that, is there any PEM files are there in my downloads option? I have to check it. I have to check it. Fine. No PEM files are there. Fine. Now, here to launch the Linux server, first you need to choose the region. Then you have to select the EC2 service. Those are recently visited services are there. Here we have to select the EC2 service. EC2 stands for the Elastic Cloud Computing. You have to click on here or here on search box. You have to type it EC2. We have to select it here. Fine, friends. You have to check it on EC2 dashboard. How many instances are running? 0. How many instances are there? 0. Keep it 0. Security group, 1 security group is there. That is the default security group. Now I launch and connect the Linux server. But that here on left side, instances option is there. You have to click on that. Instant is nothing but the mission or the server or the instant, right? All are the same terminology. You have to click on launch instant option. You give the instant name is Linux server. We have to give it. You may give any name. You may give your name also, no problem at all. But for meaningful purpose, I am given as Linux server. I am. Scroll down. Then you need to select the operating system image. That is nothing but Amazon Linux I am chosen and the free tier eligible one I am selecting, friends. It is providing the MI ID. Then the next step is you need to select the instant type. Friends, in Mumbai region, if you click on compare instant type, there are 538 instant types are there. Sir, what it is providing the instant type is it gives number of CPUs, memory, and the network performance it is providing. There's a 538 instant types are there. As per your business needs, you need to choose the instant type. Suppose if we are selecting T2.2 extra large, 8 CPUs are providing, 32 GB memory it is providing, and the network performance is moderate it is providing, friends. Friends, you are for practicing purpose, you need to choose the free service. T2.micro, it is providing the free service. It gives 1 CPU, 1 GB memory it is providing. Network performance is low to moderate. That's why I'm selecting T2.micro. Click on select instant. It is providing 750 hours per month. It is providing the free service. I'll tell you after completion of this topic, what are the AWS free tier account limitations also. Fine. Then the next step is to connect your Linux server. You need to create the key pair. Click on create key pair. I am given the key pair name is Linux server key I am given. This is the key pair name I am given. Paste it here in the notepad. Scroll down. Here, keep type, always we have to select the RSA because RSA is providing the more security. Private key file format, you may select anyone. If we are selecting PEM file, then you need to convert PEM file format to .ppk file. I am selecting the private key file format is PEM file I am selecting. Click on create key pair. Key pair is downloaded in my downloads option with the name is Linux server key. Scroll down. Next step is network settings. Click on edit option. Whatever the default VPC AST we have to select it. Subnet preference I am not given. In Mumbai region, 3 availability zones are there. AP South 1A, AP South 1B, AP South 1C. I am not given any subnet preference. Auto-assign public IP enable is there. Security group I am given as Linux server SG I am given. Copy this security group name, paste it here in the description, and also we have to paste it here in the notepad. This is the security group name I am given. To launch the Linux server, default it is providing type is SSH, port range is 22, source type it is providing anywhere it is providing, I am selecting. Scroll down, default storage it is providing 8 GB. I am not adding any additional volume of disk. Right now, in an upcoming session, I am adding additional volume of disk. Advanced details also I am not using. See here on right side, summary details it is providing. That is how many instances you are launching. What is the AMI, Amazon Mission Image you are chosen? What is the instant type? What is the default storage it is providing? Start to scroll down. The free tier limitation also it is mentioned. See friends, T2.micro, it is providing free service. Per month, 750 hours, it is providing the free service. If T2.micro, it is not available in your region, then T3.micro is providing the free service. For Windows Mission, 30 GB storage it is providing. For Linux Mission, 8 GB it is providing the storage. Click on Launch Instant. The instant is launched in the Mumbai region. Fine friends. Instant is launched in the Mumbai region. See, all the steps I have mentioned in your class material. That is how to transfer files from local server, local mission to Linux server. First, you need to create Linux EC2 mission, and then you can generate .ppk file. Because while launching the key pair, while launching the Linux server, I am selecting the key pair type is PEM file format. To connect using PPK, you need .ppk file format. To connect using PuTTY, you need .ppk file format. That's why you need to convert PEM file format to .ppk file format. How to convert PEM file format to .ppk file format? That's we have to use it. PuTTY Zen, we have to use it. Whenever you are installing PuTTY software, automatically it is installed PuTTY Zen also. Have to open PuTTY Zen. Don't go for generate option. You go for load option. Wherever PEM file is there, in my downloads. But my PEM file is not there. The reason is you are not selecting all files. If you are selecting here all files, then your PEM file is there. What's your PEM file name? Linux server key, PEM file. That we have to select it. Click on open. Click on OK. Click on save private key. Click on yes. Now I am given the PEM file name is Linux server key. The same name I am given. Same name I am given. But the extension is .ppk. Click on save option. Start to close this one. Now go to your downloads option. See that your ppk file is generated. See, PuTTY private key file will be converted. That is, I convert PEM file format to .ppk file format. Now you can connect it using the PuTTY software, your Linux server. Start to open PuTTY. Yesterday session you are downloading the software and you are installing in your laptop or the desktop. Now to connect your Linux server, it is asking to enter the public IP address or the host name. That's why I have to copy the public IP address and note down in the notepad. And also I want to note down the private IP address. I have to note down in the notepad. This is the private IP address of my Linux server. Paste it here. Now to connect the Linux server, you have to use the PuTTY software. You have to open it. then it is asking the host name or the IP address. Host name or the IP address is nothing but the public IP address of your Linux server. Copy this, paste it here. Here on left side, SSH option is there because you are using Linux server. Click on this. Here you go for AUTH. AUTH is nothing but authentication. You have to click on credential. Now we have to browse it. Wherever private key file for authentication, wherever PPK file is there, you have to browse it and we have to select your PPK file. Go for browse option. Wherever PPK file is there, in my downloads, you have to select PPK file, your PPK file, click on open, click on open, click on accept. Now you log in as. Just wait, I'm changing the appearance so that the visibility got the clarity. I'm changing the appearance. Just wait. Wait for 1 minute. I'm given size is 22. Click on apply. Login as EC2-use. Now I am connecting Linux server. See that the IP address I can copy it. I'll paste it here in the notepad. See friends, these two IP addresses are the same. Private IP address are the same. Means I launch and connect the Linux server. That's the first step. I done it. I can launch and connect the Linux server. I can launch and connect the Linux server. Then to transfer files from my laptop to the launched Linux server, local system to launched Linux server, launched Linux server. Now to transfer files from my laptop or the desktop to the launched Linux server, you have to use the WinSCP software. You need to use it. Sir, where you need to download the WinSCP software? Already in my laptop, the WinSCP software is there. Just wait for 1 minute. I can uninstall the WinSCP software. I can uninstall the WinSCP software. I'll show you how we can download the WinSCP software and how we have to install the WinSCP software. Just wait. I uninstall already in my laptop, the WinSCP is there. I can uninstall. Fine, fine. Now here, if you have to click in the search box, you have to type in WinSCP. No software is there. Now, in my laptop, to transfer files from my laptop to the launched Linux server, you need to install the WinSCP software. Sir, where you need to install the WinSCP software is, here I am providing the link, friends. In the class material, the link is there. I'll send it in the chat box also. This is the link we had to use it to download the WinSCP software. See, when you click on this link, it is redirecting to the WinSCP software. WinSCP software. Fine, fine. You have to scroll down. See, download WinSCP is there. It's 11 MB file. It's a small file. Click on download option. Click on download option. See, your WinSCP is downloaded in my laptop. In my laptop. Yes, download is completed. Go for my downloads option. See that the WinSCP software is there. See friends, the WinSCP software is there. Now in your laptop or in your desktop, you have to install the WinSCP software. It's a very simple process. Just double click on it. You have to install for me only. Click on accept, click on next, click on next, click on install. That is WinSCP software is installed in my laptop. In my laptop. Click on finish option. That is the WinSCP software is installed in my laptop. Fine friends. Fine friends. Now it will be open the WinSCP in your laptop. No problem at all. Sir, already I installed the WinSCP software. How we have to use the WinSCP software is here on search box. You have to type it in your laptop WinSCP. You have to select this one. You have to select this one. Then it is asking to enter the host name. Host name is nothing but your Linux server, the IP address. That's you need to enter it. Host name here. Then it is asking to enter the username. The username is ec2-user, right? Why I am given the ec2-user is here in the launched Linux server, I have to select this one. Here go for connect option. Here see that what is the username is there. The username is ec2-user. Suppose if we are selecting the Ubuntu, the username is Ubuntu. Red Hat Linux, the username is ec2-user. I am chosen the operating system image is Amazon Linux. I am chosen the username is ec2-user. That's why while connecting using the putty software also, here I am given as ec2-user. See, I enter the username is ec2-user. Now it is asking to enter the password. I don't have the password. I have the ppk file is there. For that, you have to go for advanced option. Here on left side, SSH is there. Under authentication is there. Now you need to select your ppk file. For that, in your mouse pointer, go to the three dots option. Go to the three dots. Click on that. You have to browse it where your ppk file is there. Go for downloads. You have to select your ppk. Click on open. Click on OK. Click on login. Click on accept. Now it is connecting the WinSCP software. WinSCP tool with my Linux server is connected. See friends, the screen is divided into the two halves. Two halves. That is, here on right side, my Linux server files are there. Here on left side, my laptop files are there. My laptop files are there. Friends, this is newly launched Linux server. Is there any files are there here on right side? In WinSCP, send me in the chat option. Say yes or no. This is newly launched Linux server. There is no files and there is no directories up there. If you have doubt, here I connected using the putty software. Here to know the list of files and directories, I have to type it the ls command. Is there any files and directories are there? No. No files and directories are there. Now, this is I have to open the WinSCP software. Screen is divided into the two halves. Here, the right side is your launched Linux server files. There is no files are there. Here on left side, your laptop files are there. Your laptop files are there. Sir, I need to transfer in E drive. See that? I need to transfer in E drive. See this one? In E drive, President's University is there. On that, I need to transfer. Those are the files I need to transfer. Those 5 files I need to transfer from my laptop to launched Linux server. Fine. Fine. For that, already I opened the WinSCP software. You go to this one, open directory. You have to browse it. Click on browse option. Now you need to select this PC on E drive. See President's University folder. This one. Click on OK and click on add. Click on OK. Whatever the files are there, on E drive President's University, those are the files are there. I need to transfer some files from my laptop and E drive President's University folder to this one. See, the simple step, go to your mouse pointer, whatever the file you need to transfer it, hold it, just drag and drop here. Click on OK. That is, one file is transferred from my laptop to launched Linux server. Similarly, I need to transfer this one. Go for mouse pointer, hold it, just drag and drop. Second file is transferred. I need to transfer third file, just drag and drop. Fourth file, drag and drop. Fifth one, drag and drop. Sixth one, drag and drop. Just it's very simple. Just we can drag and drop. The files will be transferred from my laptop to launched Linux server. Total how many files I can transfer? Friends? Send me in the chat option. From my laptop to the launched Linux server. How many files I can transfer? Send me your response. Send me your response. Rohini. How many files I can transfer? No, not 18. Here, how many files are there? Here, totally how many files I can transfer here? On right side. Total 10 files are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Total 10 files are there. Right. I'm not asking in my laptop. Right? In the launch Linux server, how many files I can transfer? 10 files are there. Now here we can see that those files are transferred or not. In putty, I have to check it. In earlier, if I am typing ls command, there is no files and directories are there. Now, if I type ls command, see that those files are there. Those files are transferred from my laptop to launched Linux server. See, friends, those are the steps we have to follow. How to transfer files from my local machine to launched Linux server. But then you need to use the WinSCP software. WinSCP software you need to install in your laptop, and then we can transfer the files. To transfer the files it's very simple process. Just select your file and then drag and drop. Select your file and then drag and drop. That is how we can transfer files from my laptop to launched Linux server. Fine, friends. Fine. Now, today's session, I want to explore some of the concept is what are your AWS retail account limitations also. Friends, just now I tell you how you can create your AWS retail account. What are the limitations are there? What are the limitations are there? Sir, you are launching the EC2 service. You are launch and connect the Linux server. You are launch and connect the Windows server. Suppose here I am launch and connect the Linux server. I am launch and connect the Linux server. My server is running in the Mumbai region. What are the free tier account limitations? Is it free? It's completely providing? No. They are the free tier account limitations I am saying. See that. AWS free tier account. If you have to scroll down, three types of offers it is providing. See, we have to scroll down. The compute service I am using. Means we have to use the EC2 service. Free tier, you are chosen the basic plan. Free tier, you are chosen. How many months it is providing? 12 months it is providing. Amazon EC2, it is providing per month. How many hours it is providing the free service? 750 hours it is providing the free service. Friends, you have to see it. You have to see that the free tier account limitations. Here, it is mentioned that 750 hours per month of Linux, Red Hat Linux, SUSE Linux, T2.micro or T3.micro instance. Depends on the reason. Suppose your selected reason, T2.micro instant, it is not available. Suppose if you are chosen North Virginia region, Singapore region or Canada region, your selected region, T2.micro, it is not available, then T3.micro, it is providing the free service. That is, it depends on the region, T3.micro or T2.micro, it is providing the free service. Right? If T2.micro instant is not available on the particular region, your selected region, then T3.micro, it is providing the free service. And also it is mentioned that 750 hours per month of public IP address, regardless of the instant type it is provided. Those are the free tier limitation for Amazon EC2. Sir, I am using for creating the bucket. For storing the data, we have to create the bucket. Means S3 service, you need to use it. Bucket means nothing but you are creating the folder in the AWS account. I'll tell you how we can create the bucket, how we can upload the object, and there are many features are there in S3. I'll tell you in upcoming session, no problem at all. See, the storage, it is providing 12 months of the free service. Right? Amazon S3, 5 GB, it is providing the storage. 5 GB, it is providing the storage. If we are selecting RDS, sir, I want to connect the MySQL, PostgreSQL, MariaDB, SQL Server, right? 12 months of the free service it is providing. That is per month, 750 hours it is providing the free service, right? See that there are free tier account limitations which is providing the minimum storage it is providing 20 GB it is providing. Single availability zone, it is providing the free service. The instant you need to select it, that is while connecting the database server, that is the instant type is db.t3.micro instant. It is providing the free service in the single availability zone. In the single availability zone. Fine. See that. DynamoDB. Always it is providing the free service. How much storage it is providing? 25 GB it is providing the storage. Machine learning. SageMaker tool is used in AWS. 12 months it is providing the free trial. 2 months it is providing the free trial. Lambda service, that is the serverless computing. That is always it is providing the free service. Whenever your AWS account is there, the Lambda service it is providing always free service. That is per month 1 million free request per month it is providing. Per month it is providing. Start to scroll down. That is artificial intelligence, always free. Analytics, that is Amazon Open Search service, 750 hours it is providing the free service in 12 months. Mobile, that is Amazon SNS service. I'll tell you in upcoming concepts also. The SNS concept is there. Simple notification service, it is providing always free service it is providing. See, those are nothing but the free tier limitations. Not this one. There are many services it is providing the AWS. I have to click on the next option. Then developer tools, mobile, that is Amazon API gateway, right? Like that, there are the free tier account, the limitations which are represented. Free tier account limitations they are representing, right? Those many free tier account limitations which are representing. EFS, Elastic File System, it is providing 12 months of the free service. 5 GB only it is providing the free service. If it is exceeding the 5 GB, then we are getting chargeable. Elastic Block Store, 30 GB it is providing the free service. 30 GB it is providing the free service. 12 months, 30 GB it is providing the free service. If it's exceeding the limit, the GB, then we are getting the amount to your AWS account, bill to your AWS account, right? So those are the free tier account limitations are there. I'll send you the link also. Those are the free tier account, the limitations are there, right? I'll send it in the chat box. If anyone have any questions regarding today's session, see, today's session, I explained the 3 concepts I explained. One is how you can create your AWS free tier account. Second one is how you can transfer files from your local machine to launch Linux server. Third concept I have to explain what are your AWS free tier account limitations. I explained that. Any questions? Regarding
when the actual class will start from Monday?
The actual sessions will be started on Monday onwards. Only the pending is in the, this is the add-on batch. The previous batch is there, 7 p.m., 7:30. It is convey the time is 7:30 to 8:30, Monday to Friday.
Okay, Monday to Friday. Okay.
The same exactly the same concepts will be covered. Up to the concepts will be covered. Only the pending is how we can transfer the files from local machine to Windows server. I'll tell you in the class on Monday also. No problem. Okay.
Okay. So I have paid for this class.
Okay.
Like we'll start it from Monday.
Okay.
But is there any WhatsApp group that will provide the Zoom link or other
you
PDFs
can ask
that
the DURGASOFT. They are creating the Telegram group.
I already asked. They said you can ask in the class.
Okay. Fine.
Ask to the sir. So
fine. I can inform to the DURGASOFT. They are creating that groups. Okay.
Okay.
I'll provide the steps how we can create your AWS free tier account. I'll send.
Yeah, I have created when you are.
You already created your AWS.
Yeah.
So
yeah, when you are
before while
teaching,
sending
then
the link, Google Drive link, I'll send the material if it is needed. That is how we can launch and connect the Windows server, how we can launch and connect the Linux server, how we can transfer the files. You need the material. If you want that,
yes, I need. So that some PDFs are showing. This is the
I'll
PDFs
send.
and some
Why? Because
PDFs.
meanwhile, to send the link, it is taking 1 or 2 times, 1 or 2 days. It is delay. Then meanwhile, I can send the material also.
Okay,
Those
thank
are
you.
the materials I can send it.
Okay, thank you.
Wait. You can download. Right?
Yes.
I'll send it. See, once your practice is over, then you have to delete your Linux server. See, in this session, I can create, launch and connect the Linux server. Once your practice is over, then we have to terminate your Linux server. See that? How we can terminate your Linux server is in your AWS account, have to select launched Linux server. Launched server, we have to select it. Go for the instant state. Stop instant is there. Stop instant is nothing but like shutdowning your laptop. Like shutdowning your laptop. On the next day or the next 1 week or the next 1 month, if you want to connect this same configuration Linux server, it's very simple. Just no need to follow the steps from beginning of the step to the ending of the step. That is for selecting the instant type. You are given the instant name. You are given the key pair. No need to follow all those things. No need to follow all those things because you are launched the instant in the Mumbai region. The simple one is wait. If I am doing continuously, it is showing the red mark. It is not connecting. That's why I am waiting. Okay. That's why I
So
am
are you
waiting.
going to
Wait.
explain
Select the
from
instant.
first?
Go for
No, no,
instant
no.
state. Start instant option is there. Whenever
Okay.
stop the instant, automatically this connection is also closed. See, already connect using putty where Linux server is connected, it will be closed. The system will be power off now, then it will be closed. You have to close this one, right? This WinACP is also closed. Just wait. Because I can close that one. I'm stopping that one. See, if you want to terminate, if you want to start this mission, select the Linux server, start instant option is there, then the instant will be started. Now see that what is the state? Pending. Pending. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Once the instant state is running, then we can connect your Linux mission using putty software. Using putty software. See, for your practicing purpose, what I am suggesting is after completion of your practice, we have to terminate your missions. You have to terminate your servers. Instant state is running. Instant state is running. If you want to connect it, you have to use the putty software for Linux server. For Windows server, to connect that, we have to use the remote desktop connection. Now, after completion of your practice, we have to terminate or delete the instant. How we have to terminate it? Select the instant, go for the instant state, terminate instant. Before I am terminating, I have to see the EC2 dashboard. I have to see that how many instances are running? 1. How many instances are there? 1. One key pair you are created while launching your Linux server. In the earlier, one security group is there, that the default security group is there. Now one more security group it is added. That's nothing but the Linux server SG. Fine. Now I am terminating the instant. Select the instant, go for the instant state, terminate option, click on terminate. Terminating is nothing but completely your instant will be terminated from Mumbai region data center. Mumbai region data center. If you want to launch and connect the Linux server, then we have to follow the same steps. We have to follow the same steps. Again, you have to follow the same step. Stop the instant is nothing but like shutdowning your laptop. Right? Anyone have any questions?
No, I'm just asking, are you going to explain from first demo session on Monday or just starting?
No, no, no. Already in the demo sessions, I had to cover the basics of cloud computing I covered. And how we are creating our AWS account also I covered on the demo session. And on demo session, I covered how to launch and connect the Linux server, how to launch and connect the Windows server, how we can transfer the files also I had to cover. On Monday, what I am doing is I can explain the Linux commands, basic Linux commands I had to explain,
Okay.
right?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, fine. Because it is taking to complete the training program 40 to 45 hours. Slowly, I have to explore the services. Day by day, I have to explore the services. It's taking the time is 40 to 45 hours duration it is taking that. This is add-on batch actually. Your batch is add-on batch. Already the batch members are there, right?
Okay.
Okay, fine, fine. If no questions, then I can end the session.
Yeah, you
Thank you.
can.
We'll
Thank you.
meet on Monday. Okay.
Yeah, same time, right?
Yeah, 7th.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.